Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a box from Honcho Wholesale. It's enormous! It's a box of first quality new shoes, and I'll give you all the specifications, and we'll get in and see what kind of shoes they are. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so the specs on these shoes are they're supposed to be quality new shoes. Cost is $300. Shipped it to me for $340. Shipped it to me for $40, and so my total is $340. So I have no idea how many shoes are in here, but hopefully it's a lot with a box this big. So we're gonna see if we can manage to get in this box, my short little self. And do I need a ladder? Aw. You can just give me a boost while holding the camera, while filming, and not shaking. Ready? Go. All right. Let's see. All right, here's my invoice. Basically tells me what I got. Okay, so it says women's shoes, primarily spring and summer, approximately $1,700 MSRP, 20 units, okay? So 20 units of shoes. I'm hoping because this is such a big box that they're all still in box. Sure looks like it. All right, you know what I think I might do?
Set it down?
Put it on the floor.
Okay.
Because I can't even see inside the box because I'm shorty. Okay, ready? There. Lift with your legs, not with your back. That's a lot easier. All right, so these...
Both look good.
Yeah, I like the boxes. Ooh, look at those fancy shoes. Those are nice. We will do a listing video to see exactly how much each and every one of these items is going to be worth. So check out the second video. It'll be, the link will be down in the description below.
It's a cool looking shoe.
That is a nice looking shoe.
What is that?
It's
not a sandal.
Yeah, it's a sandal. It's a dress sandal.
Dress sandal?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Alrighty, let's look at these. Now this is a regular flat sandal. SBI CCA, handmade in California, so they're US made. So those are really nice. I love the condition. See what's in here. Hopefully this is a nice brand. Oh, look at those. Those are cool. So far we've got size 7, let me see, these little flat sandals are size 9. The first pair was a size 9. The ones you're looking at right now are size 7. These are a size 9. I like that they're all different because if one doesn't sell, another one will. There's another one. Kind of a...
So are you going to keep one that's in your size?
Maybe. Maybe. I have too many shoes already. I don't know if I need to keep any more shoes. Let my daughter come over here. Oh, these are cute. Look at those. Little red ones with a flower on them.
What size are they?
They are... size 9. They're not my size. They're too big. Aren't those cute? I love the little flower on them. And this is leather.
What's the bottom look like?
A little grippy.
That's cool. Looks like a rope.
It does look like a rope, doesn't it? So far, loving the condition. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Well, I can see why the box was so big. Everything comes new in box, so let's see what else we got. Size 8. Now this is my size right here. Will I like the shoes? Will I want to steal these? Oh, I will not wear these. I will break my ankle if I try to wear those.
Somebody will, though.
I will break. You know what? There's some people... We had a youth pastor, and his wife was 9 months pregnant and used to wear stilettos with this high of a heel. I mean, I don't know how she could walk. I mean, isn't your center of gravity all off balance when you're pregnant? But she never did tip over, and I don't know how she did it. All right. I'm too practical for shoes like that. I gotta move too fast. Okay, these are like doubly wrapped. Just keeps going and going and going. Oh, okay. Cute little... This is so soft. It doesn't look like it's soft, but it is. Feel it.
Yeah.
It's really soft. Those would be comfortable.
Does it say what it's made of?
It smells a lot like leather. I think these are leather. Yeah. Yeah, these are leather.
Does it say real leather on it?
I'm looking.
Well, inside the sandal.
It just says vintage collection. It sure feels like it though. Wait, yeah. Made in India. Leather upper.
Leather upper.
Yep.
Man-made sole. Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. I bet this one's the same way. Is it? I bet this one's part leather too, because this feels like it. All right. I will rewrap that all beautiful for the buyer once I take pictures of them. All right. What else we got in here? Here's a different brand. Very volatile. Will it explode if it's volatile? Do you like that? Is that lovely? Oh, look at these cute little tennis shoes. Very volatile, Los Angeles. So it's a LA company. Those are cute. What size are these? 7.5.
Their daughter would love these
Oh my
shoes.
goodness, don't show those to our kids. Don't show them to our children. Are you feeling very animalistic? There's a reason I'm asking that question. You feeling very animalistic? Kablamo! Oh my word, it's so soft. I'm sorry. I'm used to plastic Walmart shoes. They're so nice. Just want to pet them. It is. This has got to be leather too. Very volatile, Los Angeles. I don't know. It sure feels like leather to me. They're super nice. Aren't they soft? They don't look like they should be that soft.
That's a nice looking shoe.
It is a
Boy,
nice
that
looking
is
shoe.
really soft.
Yeah. Those would be comfortable to wear. Now this one is a size 10. Bethany, size 10. I have a friend of mine, that's her shoe size. She would totally wear those and pull them off.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she can pull them off. All right. There's another very volatile. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Look at that.
Wow.
Got a little zipper back. They are size 8. I might have to try those on.
It's like some of the best shoes we've had in a long
Oh yeah,
time.
yeah. Well, we've always gotten really awesome stuff from Honcho Wholesale. I've never been disappointed with what we get from them. Okay, here's a sandal. Ooh, the cushion on the bottom of that. That's a size 9.
You think these will go to Poshmark or Amazon?
If we can get them to go to Amazon, great. But right now we can't send anything to Amazon, so we can merch fulfill them on Amazon. But I think we'll probably put the majority of them on Poshmark. So you can check the link down in the description below for our Poshmark store if you want any of these, because most likely we'll probably have them listed by the time you see this video. So, all right, let's see what else we can look at here. Here is size 7. Oh, these are cool. They're like clogs. Those are cool. Aren't those cool?
It's a cool looking shoe.
Yeah, and this is soft as well. Handmade in California. Look at the bottom.
That's cool.
It looks like wood grain.
That is probably wood.
It might be, yeah. Tell you what, these are fancy shoes. Oh, there's another one of these in a size 7. So if you want to get out your wild side, you can, because those are a size 7. If you little feet people. All right, here's another one. It's like the never-ending box. Ooh. Now see, this would be more my style, because it's kind of a plain, it'll go with everything. So that's kind of more my style. Although I would still break my ankle in that heel. I don't know. I guess I wear shoes like that to church. Those are size 8s. Might have to try them on. Those are nice. I'm just getting a couple boxes out here so you can look at shoes while I'm reboxing. Here's another very volatile. Okay, this one looks kind of unique. It's a flat dress shoe. Oh, look at that. See how it's kind of got this little spider web? These are stretchy, and it has a zipper back on it. So it's got the zipper back, and then this stretchy little, it kind of looks like a spider web on the front, doesn't it?
Kind of got that sandal Spartan look.
Yes, it does. It looks like gladiator sandals. You're right. See, my husband knows his shoes.
What size were these?
Those are a size 9. So all good sizes. These are like traditional sizes you always see sold out in the store. So let's see what this one is. I love the wrapping. Oh, these are cute. Look at those cute sandals. Those are adorable. I love the teal color. That's kind of an in color right now. It's got that wood grain heel on it. The one thing about shoes is you want them to be comfortable, and these all look like they're relatively comfortable. Even though they're pretty high heels, some of them, they look relatively easy to walk in just because the whole thing is high, you know, so your foot's not at a crazy angle. All right, what's in this one? Oh, it looks like denim. Those are cute. I'm sorry, I keep saying everything is cute. I'll use a different word. Fabulous, fantastic, superb. I need new adjectives here.
Was that a 9 medium?
Yep. Medium basically just means like traditional width, not like a narrow or a wide. All right, put those back. This one has a cool box. Look at that. Is it a flaming arrow or a flaming V? Probably a V because it says volatile on the box. Okay. Ooh, sparkly. Some sparkly loafers. These are leather. It's like it feels like suede. Size. Those are size 7. They're like a suede kind of shoe. It's kind of cool. Size 7. All right. All right. These are the last 2 boxes. So far, I've been really pleased. What do you think, Paul?
Looks good.
Yeah.
I'm really wondering when we scan them
if they'll go on Amazon.
Merch or
Yeah, well, if we'll be able to merch fulfill them. All right. This one. Kind of a little bit of a Spartan meets. Okay, you probably can't see because of the plastic, and I don't want to take the plastic off. But this is actually like a suede top that goes around your ankle with fringe on it. So kind of like a Western boot, but it's an open sandal, and it has it on both sides. It's probably kind of hard to see with the. Yeah. Here you can kind of see the fringes on the bottom here.
Yeah.
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 So that's a clever little shoe. That's a size 8. And then here is the last one. Ooh, it's like a suede boot. Look at that. So soft. Sorry, it's my little pet. All right. Size 7. These are kind of cute. It's kind of, is it tan? Is it brown? Is it rose colored? It's kind of difficult to tell. It kind of changes probably.
Does it say on the box what it is?
What color it is? Taupe. Taupe.
That's the color you say it is when you have no clue what color.
Right, that's exactly it. Yeah. I don't know what color it is. It's taupe. It's taupe or
brown, blue, red, green.
periwinkle. All right, so look at this pile of shoes I have. The box is totally empty. See? you know, my kids are off school, I can let them climb in the box and build forts. Oh, but they're too old for that. So I only have one kid that's that small. So this was an awesome one. I'm going to do a second video, and so we're going to tell you what the profits are. Remember, this was a box of first quality brand new shoes. I paid $300 for it, shipped it for $40, and so I'm all in at $340, and it was 20 pairs of shoes. As you can see, the condition is phenomenal. So watch my second video. Let's find out if we're actually going to make money. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching this Honcho Wholesale unboxing. If you want to buy from them, I do have all their stuff down in the description below to contact them. If you would like to sell on Poshmark, which is where I'm going to put the majority of these shoes, you can go ahead and check out my Poshmark E-book or just check out my Poshmark store to buy some of these. And thanks for watching.